Stop prompting your AI like everyone else. What if I told you this entire video, every frame, every word I'm saying, was made by an AI agent in under 10 minutes? Here's what nobody's talking about. Millions of developers have Claude, Cursor, Copilot, and they're still writing prompts from scratch every single time. Copy pasting from random GitHub repos, no quality control, no structure, just hoping it works. So I built something. SkillForge, 37,000 AI skills you install in one command. SEO audits, RAG pipelines, security scans, marketing videos, like this one. Each skill is security audited and production ready, not a prompt. A complete workflow your agent executes end to end. Real users are already building with it. But here's the part that blows people's minds. This video you're watching right now, I didn't edit a single frame. I gave my AI agent a skill called remotion-marketing-video-builder, and it wrote the script, generated my voice, animated every scene, and rendered the final cut. One skill, fully autonomous. Now, this isn't for everyone. If you want to keep writing prompts by hand, that's cool. But if you're an engineer who wants your AI to actually do the work, not just suggest it, I built this for people like you. Comment skills below and I'll send you the link directly. Free tier gets you thousands of skills. Pro unlocks the heavy workflow packs for $29 a month. Give your AI superpowers.